I hope you're having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with a quick video on 5 ways to get inbound marketing leads, even if you are an introvert. With that being said, we're going to jump right in. If this is for your first time joining my channel, thanks for stopping by. Check us out, like, subscribe, and share. Number one, make Facebook posts, or you can make LinkedIn posts. And at the end of your post, you must leave a pretty solid call to action, linking people back to your website, your landing page, or whatever service that you offer. That's one way to get great leads, and it works really good if you are just starting out, or you're a newbie, or beginner, or in network marketing. Number two, write articles. Write 2 to 3 articles a week, and people who like your stuff will click on it, and they will get connected with you through your website or through your LinkedIn. I mean, or through your article, and that is the second way. Number three, free reports. Like if you are any expert in any field, it could be exercise, holistic health. A lot of people since COVID have jumped into the holistic health industry. You may be a coach or author. Give a free report with 5 to 10 tips on how to help people doing what it is that you like to do, or doing what it is that you love. People love to get free reports. That's another way to build your email list, and it's also a great way to get clients. Number four, case studies. If you are a writer or an inspired writer, or you have some specialties in some certain field, write a case study paper, and you can post it on your LinkedIn. A couple of article submission sites would be good, and from that alone draws a lot of clients, get you a lot of attention, and your business, or whatever it is that you may do, and that you may be trying to become an authority in your niche. Because all of these things, these strategies, are for inbound introverts, excuse me. And last but not, well, next to last, number five, creating the short ebook. Ebooks are great for lead magnets. Ebooks help you build credibility. It helps you build authority. And so if you are someone, and let's say, I don't know, you may be an author, and you've been writing books for several years, and you want to teach other people to do so, well, with your ebook, with 5 to 10 tips, or the best way, or how to format it, a book will be the best option for you. You don't need a big old fancy website with all these bells and whoopses. All you need is a simple landing page that best describes what it is you do, how you help people, because that's nowadays people are looking for how you can help them, and they, in exchange for your ebook, they give you the email address, and that's the way for you to build a list, because you only need 100 people to build a sustainable business, and for those of you that want to leave your job, to leave your job. And number six is my most popular one that I used to use a lot until I started getting into YouTube, is doing Facebook Lives. With Facebook Lives, the best thing you could do is, you set an announcement, say, I'm going live on this day. Hey, I'm going live on that day. Not only would it help you build credibility, it helps you to build relationships with people. Oh, Lord, my light done went out, y'all. It helps you to build credibility, and it helps you build relationships, which, no matter what business you're in the relationship building business. And that goes for every person that's in their own business. You may be a consultant, you might be, it's no telling. The numbers, the things are endless around here. But if you like what you hear and you would like to know more, click the bell notification and subscribe to my channel as I try to bring the best content ever for you people. And I thanks for the ones that are already subscribed, and have a great day.